Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up speed dial numbers on Android phone. Alright guys, let's get started. First of all, open your phone application on your Android phone. And then you're going to tap on the three dots button. Then there will be several options for you and you have to tap on speed dial numbers. Okay, and you can select the number right here. Tap on the number. Then for example, I'm going to go with 5. Then we can enter name or number. If you want to add a number from your contact, you can click on the contact button. Then select a number that you want to add to the speed dial numbers list. And I'm going to go with this contact, so we can tap on the contact. Then just wait for a moment. Okay, now the contact has been added and I'm going to show you how the speed dial numbers work. So if we want to call the contact quickly, we just need to tap and hold on the number that we have set. So since I have set 5, so we just need to tap and hold on the 5 number. Then we will be able to call the contact quickly without opening the contact application. Alright guys, and that's how we can set up speed dial numbers on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.